Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Akila Binti Muhammad Adris, F25A1893. Today I want to talk about cutting mining technology. From ancient stone wheels to automated machinery, how we process agriculture has fundamentally evolved. Welcome to the world of cutting mining technology, a concern of modern agro-product processing. By reducing the particle size of raw materials, this technology don't just change the shape. The shape, it unlocks bioavailability, ensure uniform quality, and prepares crop for everything from food to biofuels. But how does it actually work? At its core, cutting mining based on mechanical forces, impact, shear, and composition. High-speed rotating blade or hammer strike the material, breaking its cellular structures. The engineering secret lies in controlled particle size distribution. By adjusting rotor speeds and screen size, we precisely manipulated the surface area to volume ratio, which is crucial for downstream extraction and mining efficiency. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. My name is Syafiqah Najwa binti Syamsul Bunga. My metric number is F25A1973. And also, I would like to welcome Dr. Syamsul. We give a lot of support so that this topic comes through. What is application? Application in the industry, this technology is versatile. In food sector, it turns wheat into uniform flour and refines cocoa beans in non-food sector. It screens biomass for bioenergy and processor herb for pharmaceuticals. The benefits are massive high throughput and consistent quality. However, it does have limitations, mainly thermal degradation.
Applications of technology in agriculture. Precision farming. Smart irrigation systems. Data analytics and artificial intelligence. Future possibilities. Challenges and considerations.
High friction generates heat, which can damage heat-sensitive nutrients if not managed by cooling jacket. For brand example, when looking at two market leaders, two giants stand out, Böhler and Hosoka Alpine. Böhler specializes in heavy-duty, high-efficiency grain milling system featuring integrated digital monitoring. On the other hand, Hosoka Alpine focuses on ultra-fine pin mass and classified mill, prioritizing precision for specialized chemical and food powders.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nura Aina Binti Ahmad. Number matric F25A1852. The market offers diverse variations to fit any skill. Small scale user and labs rely on compact batch style leaf mills that focus on the low cost and ease of cleaning. Obviously, industrial giant utilize continuous automated multi-stage system. The current market trend, smart mining. Modern machine now feature a lot sensor that monitor blade wear and temperature in real time, drastically reducing downtime. From a simple street to smart, data-driven factories, cutting mining technology shape the product we consume every single day. It is the invisible engine of agro-processing. Thank you for watching.